Well, fellow traders, Paul Limmel got a stock here that it's actually kind of like a sister stock of another one called JOBY. They make drones and EVTOL, I believe that's what they're called. Personal drone type of transportation. Let's just pull up the Joby chart too. Okay, you can see that Joby's up quite a bit. I can't remember if we had this recently in the pond or not. I know we had it probably somewhere back here, but the broke out of the $10 PPP pullback. It's up pretty good. I really want a good pullback before it be safe to really load up on it. I mean, you chase right here, you get stung on pullback. But this one looks pretty good. And again, the stock we're looking at today, ACHR, a little bit better risk reward based on where it's breaking out cycle wise. So I'll break down the cycles here in a minute. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Helps us to reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Also, we're looking for talent, maybe someone who's not locked into their own way of trading and is open to exploring a new outside-the-box form of cycle-based trading, which we use to swing trade equities and day trade indexes, SPY, QQQ, and futures. If you have any interest in that, DM me through our social media or email me at paul@bighonatradingclub.com and I'll give you more information. Okay, the current market rating dipped a little bit because of the index Dow Jones 30 slipping back below the 10 MA. It's now an A4, which is an A- rating. You can see right here, just dipped back below the 10 MA. But everything else still looks good. It should hopefully bottom soon. You never can be sure of that in any kind of market, especially with all the macroeconomic news going on. But right now it still looks good. Most of the moving averages are pointing upwards, and this may be a short pullback below that 10 MA. So getting back to ACHR, ACHR, ACHR Aviation. This one came out of the TY-2 cycle, and again, you can see how powerful it is. Just basically that 3.5 year cycle set up right in here. So you get that little blip, 3.5 set. And you get a breakout, basically 3 BMI breakout over just 6 weeks or so. And that was because of the excellent pattern quality down here. When you get all the way down here, you basically have practically 1.3 years consolidating in that $2 to $5 area. And then it popped out, came back, retest the $3 PPP at that TY-2 cycle. And you see once we broke out, you had a price squeeze up here. The TM1 cycle set up right there, the lows of that. And then the lows of the TM1 cycle up here apparently will be much higher. So the price squeeze is coming in off of that pullback TD13 cycle. So cup breakout, or the cup cycles, 3 BMI, vector 1 on the left hand side, TM1 is 1.5 month cycle, south channel, right at that $5 PPP. And you can see once it popped, about 100% gain just to set that TD13 cycle. So you got the TM1 cycle on the pullback, you get higher lows coming in here. So that's definitely a good solid price squeeze. You know, if you're looking at this and you want to buy, again, you can always scale in 5, 10, 25. Buy 1/3 position, break out a 5-bar high, buy 1/3, break out a 10-bar high, and then 1/3 break out of a 25-bar high. That way you're not overcommitted if the stock pulls back one more time. So this is again very well formed cup with a higher high on the TD13 cycle. That's very strong. So this one should continue up, and we'll break down some price targets when we get back. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bighonatradingclub.club/lingo. Okay, looking at some price targets off of our very common cycle off of the lows, a breakout of the cup floor and then the pullback from the handle TM3 cycle. And the north channel of that is around 16 bucks, which would be about a 33% move from current price. And if it went to the TM3X, around 25 bucks, be 133% gain or so. And if it hit the 2X, it'd be about a 200% gain based on the current price around 1120. So the cup BMI is 10, which is very strong cup. Now the quality of the cup floor, it's usually better when it's above 3, but still pretty good. Didn't stay below 2 for very long before it bounced. So psychologically, this had pretty good consolidation at the lows. So, you know, will it produce a 10 BMI off the left-hand side? That would take it to $220 plus. You never know. And this one could have a pretty good story coming soon with the increasing popularity of drone-based transportation surely ahead. And so we got, you know, really good pattern quality in the pullbacks. That's important. And we got some good price targets. Now, if it gets outside of that left cup PBC zone, well, if it forms a PBC zone above that left cup high, 20 bucks or so, 20 to 25 bucks, again, very good likelihood if it's quality PBC zone, you can project 200% off the PBC zone highs. So if it's 22 buck PBC zone high, then it'd be 44 bucks plus 22 or $66 target on that. So that would be way above these channels, but it's a good interim target for at least knowing where you're going to get some resistance. But based on the cup BMI, and if we get quality consolidation up there, this thing can continue going up pretty good. So keep a close eye on it. ACHR Aviation Inc. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.